Hi guys, welcome to your channel. This video is mainly dedicated to new moms. During and after my pregnancy, I had tons of doubts and confusions. Hence, I thought of creating a video on this topic so that it can be helpful for all the new moms out there. So without much delay, let's get into the video. Point number 1, workout. There is always a myth that pregnant ladies should not do heavy workouts rather than walking. But after the initial 3 months, good stretches and biceps workouts are necessary. I have developed a mommy bicep soon enough, but I wish I had worked on my arm a bit to make them stronger. Work on your back too. Point number 2, feeding. Your little one is hungry most of the time, let's say all the times. Maybe you have put him down to take a shower after nursing and burping him, and then you realize that he is ready to feed again. Most of you may feel crazy and frustrated by feeding again and again. Rather than doing so, make it even more interesting by keeping a book, mobile or tablet handy to read or browse or connect with people. While using electronic gadgets, always make sure that aeroplane mode is switched on for the safety of our baby. Even the environment matters. Always try to choose an open place like a living room rather than a closed room if the privacy allows. Babies like feeding in different positions, therefore feed them from both sides. This can make you also feel lighter. Point number 3, surrounding. While putting your baby to sleep during daytime, it is recommended not to keep the surroundings silent. They are already used to these noises like usual talks, music playing in the background, washing machine, spinning, traffic noises, etc. while they were in the womb itself. Let it be the same. We only need to make sure that the noises are not too loud to disturb your angel's sleep. Point number 4, minimal shopping. We all have a tendency to buy all the necessary and unnecessary items soon before the delivery date approaches. But according to my experience, it is always better to keep your shopping list minimal. This is because the baby grows faster than you can imagine. Essential items include diapers, wipes, baby clothes, cap, socks, mittens, napkins, towels, rattles, nail clippers, bathing set or tub, body wash, body lotion, a crib and a car seat. Things like strollers, baby carriers, walkers, play mats, toys, teethers, baby monitors, etc. can be purchased once your baby hits a 3 months mark. Point number 5, ignore advices. Once a baby is born, the people in the society starts giving advices to the baby's mom, from pooping to burping to tummy pain to superstitious beliefs and so on. All you need to do is listen, smile and forget. Go with your mummy instincts even though it is going to be wrong 7 out of 10 times. In the wrong times, go with daddy instincts. Point number 6, hygiene. It is a tradition that your family, friends, relatives and neighbors visit your home to see the newborn. Please make sure that their hands are sanitized before entering the baby's room. There may be people who offend this, but motherhood and mannerisms need not coexist. Point number 7, be shameless. When you reach the delivery room, what you will notice is that there are a gazillion nurses, doctors, sometimes male nurses as well, moving around in the room. Most likely you will be all opened up and there will be people looking down at you. The last thing you can be worried about is how you look. So just be shameless and let the doctors do what they have to do to get the baby out. Point number 8, postpartum depression. Postpartum depression is a stage occurring with some of the new moms. It includes extra symptoms like depressed mood, loss of interest in activities, and many other physical and emotional symptoms which affects our everyday task performance. In most cases, people may consider it just as a baby blues occurring with the mothers for a short span of a week or two immediately after a child's birth. It includes symptoms like crying, poor sleep, emotions caused due to the lifestyle changes, and anxiousness. Consult a doctor immediately if you feel it is postpartum depression. If you want to know more about postpartum depression, then my next video is on this topic. Please do check it. Point number 9, sleeping hours. There is always a myth that even though your sleep cycle gets affected, you will be able to sleep with your babies for sufficient time. But the fact is that most babies will sleep during the daytime in the initial days. During this time, you will be hurrying to complete the household chores, and during nighttime, the babies will be awake and will be in full energy playing. You will be considered lucky if you get at least 2 to 4 hours of sleep. Don't get scared, instead just get prepared to face it. Point number 10, self-care. Motherhood is a very busy zone, but to keep yourself motivated, take a break once in a while. To make it possible, you can take help from your dear ones. During this time, you can have a nice long shower, eat your meal in one sitting, get a pedicure or manicure, or watch an episode of your favorite series. Remember, if the mother is happy, then only you can take care of the baby and keep him or her happy. These are just a few things I wish I knew before becoming a mother. There are a lot more things on the list. In my opinion, motherhood is discovering new things. During your motherhood, you will find new or unique things. Please share your experience and advices to new moms in the comment box below, which can be helpful for them in the journey of motherhood. Let's wrap up with a note. No love is more than mother's love. Stay happy, stay positive. Bye-bye.